Alright, y'all. I'm sorry if I sound a little tired. I just got up. But, yeah, I know I showed this yesterday, but we're gonna do a weekly vacuum video today of it. And, yeah, it's the Royal Commercial Model 608. Yeah, as you can see, I've already pretty well cleaned up in here a little bit and had to shake the rug, so some of the dirt actually fell off onto the carpet in here. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this adjusted to the right height, and if you're wondering why this isn't titled 4th of July, I just gotta say, I can't really find a good reason to celebrate that anymore, because America is getting way too bad with not only racism and classism, or whatever you want to call that, but it's also getting bad with other things too, like too much crime is being let go and all that. I just can't find a way to support it, reason to support this country anymore. I'm sorry if that makes me sound bad, but hopefully you understand. I mean, if everyone else wants to celebrate it or think of this as a 4th of July video, go ahead. I'm not judging you. It's just me personally. Yeah, I don't try to make my decisions everyone else's. Yeah, 2 different height settings. That crazy kitty over there. It was like, I don't care. I'm just a lazy little cat. Why should I care if he's back with me? And this one's not even that loud. It's not like the 1058Z out there on the back porch, where it's like 1,000 decibels. To him, anyway. this thing has quite a bit of airflow. Then again, it does have a huge bag in it. Well, it's not always a huge bag that makes a good vacuum. It's the amount of airflow that it has, and this thing, it has fan blades designed for maximum airflow. Even though it's a 3 amp motor, or at least I think it's a 3 amp. Let's see, it should be on the back of the brush nozzle. Yep, just 3 amps. Yep, and model 608. Yeah, this one, while it is commercial, it's more special because it celebrated their 75th anniversary. And yeah, they did have a shakeout version, but the shakeout bag is going to be a lot more difficult to find. And of course, since this is a Type A bag system, as far as Royal goes, this is Type A. I've got a Sanitaire Eureka F&G bag in it. It's a pretty bad quality F&G bag, but it works for now. I can only imagine what the airflow would be like on this with HEPA F&G bags or HEPA Koblenz bags. Yeah, Koblenz did have a HEPA F&G bag system. Anyway, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. And I'm honestly going to stop saying to subscribe, because people will want to subscribe when they want to subscribe. But this time, if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see the Kirby Avalier when I get it, and also for more content. And until next time, bye y'all.